What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to do a Warrior Plus case study and to show you how to get quality leads with this Warrior Plus training that can help you get sales if you follow the steps in this video. So I set up this campaign on the 26th, and I ran a 3-day campaign from the 26th until the 29th, which is today. So the campaign is still running. But I wanted to show you the traffic source that I'm using and the funnel builder that I'm actually using to set this up, and the product that I'm promoting on Warrior Plus. Now, it was just released. The product was just released last week, and I decided, well, hey, let me try this new funnel setup to see if this is going to work. You know, see if I can get any sales, see if it's worth a try. And so the results are back, and I wanted to share them with you today. So what are we going to do? I'm going to walk you through Warrior Plus. Okay, I'm going to show you the sales. I'm going to show you the traffic source, and then I'm going to show you the system that I'm using, and then I'm going to actually show you the actual page that you can set up and get going, okay, in order to sell Warrior Plus products as an affiliate marketer as well. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on into this video right now. All right, so here we are inside of my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to come up here and go to Dashboard Affiliate. I'm going to go to the dashboard. And as you can see, today I've earned $7.89. For the last 7 days, $67.01. In the last 30, $93.56. Now, this is just something I do on the side to earn some extra money to pay for traffic, you know, that I can reinvest back into my business. Okay, so this is what I do with that. So let's go up here to affiliate, and I'm going to come to stats. Now, up under stats, you're going to see the product that I'm promoting. You see two here: AI profit pages and system exclusive traffic. Okay, so we're going to click on AI profit pages. If I click on that, you're going to see with my tracking code. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. Okay, the tracking code. I have tracking codes within Warrior Plus set up in my email. So email 3, okay, netted me 1 sale. Email 1, nothing. I'm also using my lead gen secret as a traffic source, and nothing for that. So this is just for today. So if I come back up here and let's see if I go out to, let's just say the 25th and hit go. Okay, you will see right here my page. I'm just going to, the page is the page that I actually created in the funnel builder that I'm using. From this page, I've had 10 unique hops, 4 sales from that page, 40% conversion, hop conversion. Okay, the hop is $5.68, earning me $56.81. Email 3 yielded me 1 sale, 100% conversion, $7.89. So that's what you've seen, you know, on the previous page. My lead gen secret, I've gotten 90, you know, hits, nothing, no sales there. Email 1 got 3 hits on the link, no sales there. Email 2, no sales there, but they're still going through the process. My lead gen secret 2, email 2, 1 hit, nothing yet. So only 1 person clicked the link in there as well. So you see the total that I've earned is $64.70 promoting AI profit pages. And this was just released last week. Okay, so let me see if I can show you anything else in here. Let's go back to stats again. If we go to, let's just say the last 30 days, then you will see right here, you know, AI profits, $64.70. System exclusive traffic, okay, $17.35. As I said before, this is just something I'm doing, you know, to bring some extra money in to pay for traffic and things. I want you to understand that when you're promoting products on Facebook, promoting products on Warrior Plus, you are helping them build their email list as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. We can come down to transactions, and we can see all the transactions here and things of that nature. So that's just proof that what I have set up, it does work. But this is a new funnel structure that I'm testing. And just so you know, I have not set up the proper tracking on this, which means that I don't know which vendor got me the sale, because I was just testing this out to see if it works. Now that I know it works, I'm going to actually put in my tracking, and once I do that, I'll come back with another video to show you that as well. So now that you know that this works, okay, with AI Profit Pages and Warrior Plus products, I would recommend pick a great product or a good product, something that you would purchase yourself, you know, and test out. So we see that the proof is here. If we go back up to, once again, dashboard, you'll see today's $7.89, last 7 days, $67. If we can come down one more time back to stats again, you will see AI Profit Pages. If we go out, let's just go to the last 30 days one more time. Okay, AI Profit Pages, $64.70. Here's the beauty of what I want to show you. I've earned $64.70, but now let's go over to my traffic. In my traffic, I've only invested $37.91. Okay, 53 clicks. I've only gotten a few opt-ins, okay, to this page using this traffic source and sending it to my email. But the people that opted in, okay, actually, some of them purchased. Okay, this is a new way of creating landing pages and VSA or webinars, things of that nature. So you see right here, my average click per cost is 72 cents. Let's go out a few days. Yeah, we out to the 23rd. I actually started this on the 26th anyway. Okay, and let's go to the 29th. So as I said before, 53 clicks, $37.91. That's what I've invested, but I have earned $64.70. Now that's not to say that I am, let's pull up a calculator right quick. So we go to the calculator and say 64.70. Let me pull it over here, go back over here, and we're gonna go pull it back over here, minus 37.91 equals, so I'm $26 to the good. I'm not in the hole, so I'm $26 to the good. And as I said before, my issue is I didn't set up proper tracking, which I use with Opt-in Dojo. I didn't set up proper tracking because I just wanted to test this to see how it was going to work using this traffic source, and it works, as you can see. So you can get access to Traffic Zest by clicking the link. It's going to be a link in the description that you can get access to it with that. Now let's go to the funnel software that I'm using, and the funnel software is called Team Builders. Okay, you can check out the link in the description for that. You can get it for a one-time price. Okay, and then that means you have no monthly fees, and you can do whatever you want to do inside of this system. So this is the actual page that I set up. Let's look at the stats. So the stats you will see, I've had 73 in all, 65, let me, if I can increase this a little bit, 73 in all, 65 uniques, 11 opt-ins, but at an opt-in rate of 16.92%. But understand the sales that I have made with only 11 opt-ins, 10 opt-ins, I've already earned $64.70. I'm going to ramp this up. Okay, because what I'm doing, I'm building me a list of buyers, people who buy on Warrior Plus. Then I'm going to put them on a buyers list inside of this system here, because this system has the actual autoresponders and everything already built in, so I don't have to worry about paying for another autoresponder outside of this. So you see that right there. So now let's actually go back to the steps. And let's look at the page. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to this page and how I have it set up, because the video is going to play. I ripped this video straight from the sales page. Okay, I ran traffic to it, but something happens in this video, and I want you to pay attention to it, because I'm going to try to get you to see what actually happens and how this is working. And now the video is like 6 minutes long, so I really want you to pay attention and watch it and see how I have this set up. And you can do the same thing once you get access to the team builder by clicking the link below. So let me go ahead on and cue this thing up. Hold on 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, let's cue this baby up. I want you to watch this video, see what happens.
If you're sick and tired of struggling as an affiliate, or even just struggling in making money online at all, we have the perfect solution for you. How would you like to exploit a new secret underground profit and viral traffic loophole that's been hiding in plain sight within a $1.7 trillion online company, Google, that's been making us on average $986 daily in passive income? Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain to you how we've been doing this in the most hands-off way possible. You see, I don't have any special skills. I'm not a genius, and I hate anything technical. And that didn't and still hasn't stopped me from making hundreds to thousands of dollars daily in just minutes. How would you like us to create done-for-you profit pages powered by our new AI app and instantly plug them into our inbuilt 100% free underground loophole traffic source? And this Google traffic loophole is here to stay. Let me quickly break this down for you. Imagine just activating one of our profit pages.
Boom, that's what happened. In order for someone to continue watching this video, they have to put in their email to continue watching. If they don't want to continue watching it, guess what? They don't put in their email, they click off the page, they go on about their business. But the ones who do want to continue watching this video, okay, they actually put in their email here. Now I'm going to change it up because I'm going to get the name as well. But I'm just showing you how powerful this is. Once they put in their email and tick this box, they can continue watching. But also my system, my funnel builder, checks to make sure that their email is legit and it's not just something that's, somebody is throwing in fake emails, okay? Now, what's going to happen is they're going to have to put in an email to continue watching. You see a button popped up below as well. They can't do anything on this page, okay? So we're going to put in an email address. I'm just going to throw one in here. I'm just going to throw in, let's see, something, that's going to work. We're going to put in that right there. We're going to click continue watching. We're going to enter the capture. I forgot about that. Continue watching. Watch the video. Boom.
And 2, submitting your profit page link to our viral traffic loophole. And hundreds or even thousands of fresh targeted buyers are clicking on your ad you make if you were earning commissions on all those items. Now, what's so special about this? You are exploiting a legal underground.
Someone has to put in their information to watch the rest of this video. That's going to give you quality leads, quantity over quantity. You want quality leads on your email list. That's what I want on my email list. Now, that's not to say someone still can't enter, in some fake information, but if they want to watch this video, the chances of them putting in a real email address is much better than the normal opt-in page. Once someone clicks on this button right here, this video is a video that I ripped from the sales page. Once someone clicks this button right here, it takes them straight over to the sales page that has the same video on it. Now they can make a decision whether they want to buy or not. And the proof that it works is already right here, okay? It works. The traffic, 53 clicks, cost me $39. I've invested $37.91, but I have, earned $64, and $64.70 and a profit. I'm in profit. So that's where that goes. And you can get a discount as well. Now, I'm not saying buy this product. I'm just using this as a case study to show you that this worked. Once I set everything up the correct way, okay, it's going to be done. So let's go back over to my system. Okay, in my system here, I have this page. I have it connected to automations. Okay, in my automations, if I go to my workflows, AI profit pages, This is the workflow I set up for 5 days. Once they go through this final process, it's going to be added to another workflow, okay? And I can click that right there. The workflow I got them added to is Magic Link Automation. So I can do that as well. I can send them through as many workflows as I have inside of this system. So if you want to get access to the team builder, just click the link in the description. You want to get access to Traffic Zest, go ahead, click the link in the description and get signed up for Warrior Plus. Find you a product. I like AI Profit Pages. It's working for me. Okay, I believe I'm going to get some more sales here before it's over with. You know, this case study is going to end today. I just set it up for 3 days. So in 3 days, I've earned, you know, $64.70. And I still have my emails follow-up sequence going on as well. Okay, so that's the case study. If you want to get access to the traffic that I'm using, you know, go ahead and look in the description for Traffic Zest. You want to get access to the team builder, go ahead and click the link in the description as well. You can get that for a one-time cost. It's going to help you get up and going. I don't know of any other software. I do, well, there are some other softwares that does do this. Okay, I only know one in particular, and there's another way around doing this if you're using a cheaper funnel builder, put it that way, in which I use that as well. Okay, but you can get access to it by going ahead, clicking the link in the description. Check out the video. I did leave a link to the video so you can watch it all the way through, opt in to see what happened as you go through the process, so you will see what your prospect is seeing. So go ahead, click the links in the description. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. Share this video with someone you know who might need it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.